Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the console off because removing the card while the system is writing causes data loss. Hold the power button, choose power options, then turn off. Once the screen is black, flip open the rear kickstand to reveal the micro SD slot. This gives safe, direct access. Make sure you have a fingernail or plastic pry tool ready. You need non-conductive contact to avoid bending the card or damaging the reader. Now move to releasing the card. Next, press the micro SD card inward to trigger the spring release. You should feel a soft click. Once released, let it pop out a few millimeters and then pull it straight out along the same plane. Sideways or angled force can bend the contacts. Make sure you note the card's label orientation so you can reinsert later. After removal, place the card in a small protective case or anti-static sleeve. This preserves the contacts and prevents dust from causing. With the card removed or replaced, close the kickstand and power the switch back on to confirm the system detects the card or boots normally. If the console fails to recognize the card, don't panic. Power the unit off again, then reseat the card carefully and try once more. Make sure you never use metal tools to fish a card out. That risks shorting or bending contacts. If problems persist, check for visible debris or contact damage before attempting further troubleshooting or using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.